Welcome back to Museful. Today we'll be unboxing a travel stroller by this company called Joolz AER Plus. I bought this because we needed a new travel stroller for my son. We had a Jet before that was by Silvercross and it just didn't last. So I was doing some research and I decided to look at this brand and try it out. One thing that caught my attention for this brand was it was completely ergonomical and good for the environment. Hey, that's good for me, so I decided, hey, let me take a leap of faith and try this stroller out. As you see, I'm unboxing it. It comes in this great travel bag, and it is very, very lightweight. Just pulling it out of the box. I had no issues getting it out of the box. One thing about a travel stroller for me, because me and my family do travel a lot, is we need it to be airplane compatible. So looking at the dimensions of this stroller online, it said it was airplane compatible and it will fit in oversized bin. Just by looking at how it's folded up, you can tell that it will be able to fit in an oversized bin, which is great for travel. Another good thing that I read about this stroller online was its weight capacity. This stroller can hold a child up to 50 pounds as well as 11 pounds in a basket. So this can fit a fairly large child for a good amount of time. We got the navy blue color. You can see that it is wrapped really well, and that's why it is taking me a little bit of time to get it unwrapped. I'm trying to get it released so I can open it up for you and show you how it all fits together. It was easy to open up. You can see that it has a 5-clip harness to hold the child in place. Great canopy. The seat is very comfortable. It has padding. There's leather handle at the top with the branding. To open and close the stroller is a 1-button clip. And to open the stroller, you push this button in and you push this button up. It allows you to pop open, fairly easy. And to break it down, same process. This button in, this button up, and it folds in like so. So it is a one-handed functionality, makes it a little easier when you're trying to, if you're traveling alone with your child, you can break it down really easy. Good functionality to break down and open up the stroller. Break at the bottom to lock it in place, very easy, very functional. Great wheels, great spin. It is very light, and that's one thing I do like about it. But overall, this is a good stroller to buy. I like it just by looking at it. I will give you another update when we do use it. We do have a trip coming up in 2 weeks, and I will let you know how it goes for the travel. But for now, I do like it, and thank you for watching this unboxing from the Joolz AER Plus stroller, and this is a navy blue color. Please. The stroller does come with an instruction booklet as well, and it gives you more insight and more details into what the functionalities and capabilities of the stroller are. But I decided not to read it because I've been using strollers for a long time now. Some other great features of the Joolz AER Plus stroller. It has a 10-year warranty that is transferable if you do want to resell this stroller, so that's a good selling point. It does have other accessories you can buy online, such as a bassinet that you can use in the stroller. You could also buy a foot muff for the child, or a foot rest to carry another child. So it does have a lot of great functionalities that you are able to grow with this stroller. So if you are in the market for a travel stroller, I suggest you look into this brand. Online, this is rated the #1 travel stroller to buy overall. That is one of the reasons I did purchase. I'm not disappointed with the overall feeling, the aesthetic, bringing it out of the box. So check out this stroller, the Joolz AER Plus. But overall, this is a good stroller to buy. I like it just by looking at it. I will give you another update when we do use it. We do have a trip coming up in 2 weeks, and I will let you know how it goes for the travel. But for now, I do like it, and thank you for watching this unboxing from the Joolz AER Plus stroller, and this is a navy blue color. Please like, follow, and share.